Here we are going to answer a doubt, and it is why your car throws water out of the exhaust. The most common is that the exhaust pipe passes the gases emitted by the engine. But why sometimes water comes out of the exhaust pipe? I invite you to subscribe if you have not already done so, and we will start with the video. This is due to a coolant leak. If you want to buy good quality coolant, I leave the link in the description. This is quite normal in the mornings or if you live in a place with a fairly cold climate, due to condensation when you start the car. It will throw a little bit of white smoke from the exhaust pipe or even drip. This is a very bad thing for your engine because it means that coolant got into the engine and bound with the oil. I recommend you to check the linkage and see if it has a pasty mixture. If this happens to you, do not use the car. It is recommended that you repair the engine or go to the workshop. If instead you check and you do not see this paste, the best thing to do is to check the engine gaskets and check where the leak is before the problem is even bigger. If you want to know what are the most common engine failures, I recommend the following video. I also recommend you visit our blog santiagosolucion.com, where we have quite extensive information and answer your questions through the comments. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one.